Congratulations on your purchase of our MaxiTech Personal Defender GPS Bug Detector and Hidden Camera Locator, the best personal pocket-sized bug detector currently available to the public. This short video will demonstrate how to easily detect and locate any transmitting GPS tracker concealed on your vehicle, as well as all kinds of active wireless radio frequency signals, hidden cameras, active audio bugs, and GSM transmitters. The primary functions are seek out any unauthorized hidden transmitter that might be invading your privacy. Find hidden camera lenses that may be recording you in private areas such as dressing rooms, bathrooms, or hotel rooms. You hear about this every day in the news. Locating a concealed live GPS tracker that can easily be hidden on or inside your vehicle. Okay, let's begin. First, let's see how to find unauthorized transmitting devices that may be hiding in office, home, or area of concern. Before using your device, the following pre-sweep actions are required. Please turn off the following electronic devices: Wi-Fi router or routers, cordless phones, cell phones, Bluetooth devices. We call these authorized signals, and turning off such devices will help to prevent or minimize false positive signal detections. Please note, you only need to fit the camera attachment to your MaxiTech Personal Defender when you search for hidden cameras. While searching for all other unauthorized signals and bugs, do so without the camera lens finder attachment. To start searching for any transmitting devices, simply extend the antenna and turn on your MaxiTech Bug Sweep. Watch the 10-level LED display. If the device picks up a wireless signal, the LEDs will light up according to the strength of the signal. Point the device around the room and look for an increase of the LED bars. Move in the direction of the stronger signal. When all 10 LED lights are lit up, you are very near to the transmitting source and can start to visually inspect the immediate area in order to locate the device. Now to search and find hidden cameras. Simply plug the camera lens finder, the square adapter with red circle, attachment into the top of the MaxiTech Bug Sweep. The red pulsating LEDs should point away from you. Now look through the red circle lens and slowly scan around the room. Remember to search items where cameras can easily be concealed, such as smoke detectors, clock radios, common electronics that require power, etc. Be sure to check anything attached to walls, corners of rooms, and especially areas where you spend time privately. If you see a pink or red dot blinking back at you, that is the iris of the hidden camera lens recording you. And lastly, how to locate GPS tracking devices quickly and easily. We recommend that you drive to an isolated area that is free of any wireless transmitting sources, especially cell towers. A GPS tracker will emit its location signal only while the vehicle is in motion, and usually at an interval of every 10, 30, or 60 seconds apart. Drive your vehicle slowly in huge circles while you monitor your MaxiTech Bug Sweep detector. If the LED displays all 10 bars every 10, 30, or 60 seconds, there is a 100% chance that your vehicle is equipped with a GPS tracking device. To locate the GPS tracker, you now start and stop the vehicle in between the confirmed signal intervals to keep GPS activated. Hold the detector near every quadrant of the vehicle front and rear, especially rear bumper area, doing so at the identified time pattern signal is being emitted. If you get 10 LED bars, you are very near the tracker. Now simply take your car to any mechanic and ask them to remove the GPS tracker. The MaxiTech Personal Defender Bug Detector is the perfect solution when it comes to securing your privacy and peace of mind. Please read through your user manual to familiarize yourself with all its features.